Potts has been going now for 9 years. We make artisan ice cream with Jersey cow's milk and Jersey cream. With the grant, we have beautifully finished 3-building barn with absolutely everything we could possibly need and need to grow. It's really a massive, massive benefit for our brand and for the area as a whole because we're able to employ people. So yeah, we never knew it was going to be this good.
Grant assisted us in developing this dilapidated barn into what is now a state-of-the-art custom bike fitting centre and bike shop. We've seen a great response to the business since we opened officially here, particularly with the bike fitting. The fact that we have the only retooled bike fit system in Wales makes us a unique place to come, and it's proving very, very popular.
My wife and I opened the delicatessen. It was our intention to sell locally produced artisan foods that you would find ordinarily in a delicatessen.
The project was to build an extension to the Gwilly Railway, just under 2 miles in length. So it would be a much longer trip for passengers and a completely different experience for them because the southern end of the railway, the Gwilly Valley, is entirely different than the top end, the northern end of the railway.
The thatch roof has been restored to its original appearance as it looked in 1770. The building can now be used as a workshop for a wood turning business.
The 75-metre trench gives the feel of what a trench system would have been like. And so many school teachers, history teachers have said how authentic the whole place feels.
I'm a florist based just under 2 miles from Carmarthen. The building has enabled me to work professionally from home, and it's also fitted with a climatically controlled room which enables me to supply the freshest, top quality flowers.
It just seemed like a logical way to take our business because many of our guests come here as couples and want to come back with a bigger group, and so we've got the barbecue facility which enables them to have 8 to 10 people actually in the barbecue. It's kind of an add-on to the rest of the business.
We breed falcons to export to the Middle East. The grant has enabled us to move forward much quicker than we otherwise would have been able to. We've created a beautiful reception room for clients, an incubation room, and also a rearing room for the baby falcons. We've been able to create at least one job, hopefully another job in the local community.
The facility we've built here is a set of 4 pump tracks that are joined, so there are transfer lines between each of the pump tracks. And we've built 2 sets of dirt jumps with big North Shore berms. We've pushed the boundaries with this and developed something that was much more than I would have been able to do without the grant assistance.
There's 3 rooms here. There'll be 1 room for over 2s to play in, and the other 2 rooms are 2 and unders. Try to separate the children but then still keep them as a family. Be a very fun environment for children. It's always play, activities, lots of activities. If we didn't have the grant, we wouldn't have done it. The support money-wise and business-wise and putting me in the right direction of other people, we wouldn't have done it.